Hi, my name is Tri Tran, current convener of SIGRAE Australian Panel A1, Rotating Electrical Machines. I am pleased to present the 2019-2020 Annual Summary Report for the SIGRAE A1 International Study Committee and the Australian Panel. As an overview, the Study Committee A1 main purpose is to focus on the development of new technologies and the international exchange of information and knowledge in the field of rotating electrical machines. To add value to this information and knowledge by means of synthesizing state-of-the-art practices and developing guidelines and recommendations. There are 4 advisory groups and study areas in Study Committee A1. Turbo Generators Group focuses on condition assessments, maintenance, refurbishments, power upgrade, asset management, and long-term health assessments. Hydro Generators Group has the same focus on Turbo Generators Group. Non-conventional rotating machines group focuses on the wind turbine generators and superconducting machines. In addition, it also involves in reviewing grid code as impact on generators. Large motors and drive groups focuses on motors greater than 1 kV and 500 kilowatts. Benefit of high efficiency motors, variable speed drive motors, and impact of flexible operations on large motors. Key areas of interest: asset management to extend the life of existing generators or to recommend their replacements. Machine monitoring, diagnosis and prognosis for optimal maintenance. Renewable generation for large power systems and microgrids. Enhancement in construction of large turbo and hydro generators. High efficiency rotating electrical machines with new materials, improving cooling and insulation systems. Large motors and high efficiency motors. Utilization of poly-nanocomposite as near future high voltage electrical insulation system in rotating machines. The study committee held a colloquium in India from 22nd to 28th of September last year, including tutorials and working group meetings. There were working group presentations for working group A1 29, 31, 37, and 39. They all finished. 3 working group A33, 48, 50, and they're all at their final stage. 4 new working groups, A1 63, 65, joint working group A1 C4 66, and working group A1 70. The TOR were approved and in progress. Chairman summary on technical council meeting and activities, review of SIGRAE membership status, women in SIGRAE, e-SIGRAE, and KMS. Proposal for 2021 Colloquium in Japan and 2023 in Russia. 4 tutorials were also presented on magnetic core dimensioning limits in hydro generators, application of dielectric dissipation factor measurements on new stator, cores and bars, guidance on the requirement of high-speed balancing, over-speed testing of turbo generator rotors following maintenance or repairs or rewind, guidance on cleanliness and proper storage of generators and components. The 2 main preferential subjects for the colloquium last year were high renewable penetrative networks, operational experience, and new developments. There were 24 presentations on large turbo generators and hydro generators, machine insulation systems, and large motors. There were 2 technical tours organized, one to Datri Power Station where it has a 500 megawatts of coal-fired power plants, a combined cycle gas-fired power plants, and an integrated solar thermal hybrid plant. It utilizes solar thermal energy to heat the feed water system and to enhance the efficiency of the thermal power plants. The second technical tour was on the 28th of September to Accra, the 800 kilovolts, 6,000 megawatts high voltage DC terminal station. Due to COVID-19 pandemics, the 2020 Paris session this year was conducted online. The three preferential subjects this year were generation mix of the future, asset management of electrical machines, development of rotating electrical machines, and operational experience. The study committee A1 activities in the areas of turbo and hydro generators are particularly relevant to Australia. For example, the technical brochure 690 just recently completed on vibration and stability problem experience in new, old, and refurbished hydro generators. Working Group A129 guide on new generator grid interaction requirements. This is highly relevant to prevent the widespread state blackouts similar to that in 2016 in South Australia. Working Group A131, state-of-the-art of stator widening support in slot area and widening overhang of hydro generators. Working Group A137, generator stator widening support system experience, highly relevant to the older turbo and hydro generators where they experience high-end widening vibrations. New working group, joint working group A1C466 in progress, guide on synchronous condensers for system inertia, short circuit withstand capability, and megavar support in power grid and high level of renewable energy generation. New working group A170 just started, dielectrics dissipation factor measurement of stator windings, relevant to winding diagnostic, particularly to the aging fleet in Australia. And about the Australian panel AUA1, the AUA1 panel currently has 15 members and 2 experts representing all states of Australia. The panel meets face-to-face once per year at 10 alternative states in Australia, except 2020, of course, due to COVID-19. We meet online instead, and 3 online 2-hour meetings per year. Members participate most study committee A1 international working groups. Members share experience in the form of presentations at the panel meetings in a wide range of relevant topics such as generator, motor failures, abnormal operations, major overhauls experience, new industry practice and technologies, generator condition monitoring, successes in managing all generators, and so on. Members make contribution to technical papers to the study committee as well, and of course technical networking. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please send me an email to my email address at the first slide. Thank you.